All right, here we go. Let's see. There's the front fairing. I think there's a scuff. You can kind of see it right there. That's in our pictures on our website. Those dots are the metal flake. And then there's some scuffs here on the lids of the bag. Boot scuffs, you can kind of see where they go like that. Let's see if you can see all this stuff. Make sure. Oh, that always scares me. Tanks looks really good. As we just turn it on, get all that lit up. Backrest. Let's see. Liner's in here, and there's a cover for the air filter. So it's got the bag liner. Go back here to the trunk and all that. So the lights are good. Under lights. Oops. Tanks are in good shape, or saddlebags are in good shape. So I don't have a cover for it. Got the manuals. That didn't mean anything. And the keys, key and key fob. See on this side, this bag's got a few scuffs too. And the clear coat. Liner on that as well. Fire up what you hear. Oh, battery's dead. I'll have to get you another video on Tuesday with it running, but I'll charge it up over the weekend. And we do a full service and all that, make sure the battery you replace if needed. You see any of that stuff on that? I don't see anything on there. They've showed something on the fender, and I think it's this little bitty, that right there. So that's, I don't know if you can kind of see, it's just in the clear coat, very tiny. Chrome's in good shape. Wheels are in good shape. I don't know if I showed it on the motor. Looks really good. Whoever had it took care of it. But yeah, I'll get you a video of it running next time.